I never ever do videos with this type of setup, so it is a little odd that I'm doing DIYs in real time in front of a camera. Anyways, hello my rosebuds, and welcome back to a brand new Nava Rose video. So I've been wanting to do this video for quite a long time, and it is testing and trying out viral DIY videos. No. Not just any DIY viral videos. Viral DIY TikTok videos. So if you guys don't follow me on TikTok, it's at the.navarose. Honestly, TikTok is like one of my favorite apps. It is way funner than Instagram because everyone's just so creative on there. And one of the main content that I love to watch is DIY and craft videos. Everyone's so talented. So there have been a few videos that I've come across on my For You page, and I was like, I really want to just try this out because they seem fun. Yeah, I mean, let's just jump right in.
Champagne Perrier, finish friends on my...
Alright, so for the first tutorial, I saw this video of a guy doing a transfer paper method for his t-shirt, but using saran wrap. That's the first time I've ever seen that done, and it was on TikTok. What we got here is our iron, of course. We're gonna need saran wrap. I'm not using saran wrap, okay? I'm using the Walmart version. Don't come for me. Parchment paper, your photo that you're gonna transfer, and a t-shirt. So a lot of you guys probably thought I was gonna use a BTS photo. You guys are wrong. I am using a photo of Matty Healy. He is the lead of the band 1975. They're one of my favorite bands ever, and I just love Matty Healy to death. So what we're supposed to do is take some saran wrap. Is this enough saran wrap? I don't know. I think you're supposed to put it face down like this. Let me go ahead and cut it. You guys definitely need the one with the slider cutter. It will save your dang life, okay? Now you just fold the saran wrap. This is making me nervous for some reason. I'm just not used to doing this. Like so. Why am I so nervous for this? I'm doing this tutorial first because I'm actually gonna wear this shirt while I'm doing all the other DIYs so that you guys can see how well it holds up. You're supposed to wrap your photo with the saran wrap like this. Put your photo on it. Take some parchment paper. And I guess you're supposed to iron it for like 5 minutes. Wait, it's like bubbling. What the heck? Ah! Wait, what the heck? It's like bubbling. Ah! No, go flat. Okay, I feel like this is such a fail already. I think I was supposed to like hit it with the iron like all across first. Oopsies. I love Matty Healy so much. The most platonic love ever. Whereas like BTS, I would marry them. Matty Healy, I can't see myself being in a relationship with him. I just want to be his best friend. All right, so now you're supposed to peel it off while it's still hot. What? Yo, I don't know if it's because like I used Walmart saran wrap and not like the actual saran wrap, but it didn't really stick. It does what it was meant to do, but this thing is not gonna stay for sure. Okay, so for the next tutorial, I'm gonna try the hairstyle that has the bleached colored bangs in the front. I'm obviously not gonna bleach my hair and dye it, so I got the lightest concealer that I have. I have this hair color thing, and then I'm going to go in with this really bright hot pink shade. We'll see how this goes. I don't know why I'm doing this 1 second. You know what? I should probably put on some gloves. Okay. All right, let's do it. Oh my gosh, how do people do this with dark hair? I better film a lot more TikToks after this because this is the first and last time I'm ever doing this to my hair. Alright, so I think this is the best that we're gonna do. My hair feels so disgusting right now. I kind of resemble Rogue right now from X-Men. Honestly, I feel like once I start growing gray hair, I'm gonna make sure I do this hairstyle. I kind of like it. Come find me again when I turn 70 and see if I have this hairstyle, okay? Usually I think people blow dry it, but I don't feel like doing that. This is just a DIY testing, okay? Let's try it. I'm so scared. Oh! Okay. This is so difficult. Oh no, my head. We're just gonna stick to the eyeshadow. This is the worst. Maybe I I should not do a part 2. This is like terrible. So I'm using watermelon for my kimchi and catnips palette. The spray was so much brighter, honestly. Okay, so I feel like I found a method that somewhat works, but I've been using lipstick, and this is like this really bright purple fuchsia lipstick. I'm not even sure if you're allowed to use lipstick on your hair, but I did it anyways, and it seems like it's working. So what I've been doing is putting the lipstick on, I rub it in, and then I set it with the pink. Don't know if it's working, but it looks like it works better than what I was doing before, so I'm just gonna keep doing that. I wish I could just put acrylic paint on my hair, but I know that's the worst idea in the world. Okay, I think that is the best we're gonna do. What do you guys think? I'm surprised that I was able to get my hair even any type of color because my hair is dark brown. Okay, so not sure if it's just because I've been staring at it for so long. It definitely does look crusty, but it doesn't look that bad. We'll see how it lasts throughout the whole rest of this video. I hope everyone is practicing their social distancing. What has definitely been helping me a lot during this quarantine are all the fun and social apps like House Party. If you guys are unfamiliar with House Party, it's a communication app where you guys can video chat with your friends and family and also play games. So I want to give a big shout out to Epic Games for sponsoring this video. You guys could use my link down below in my description box to download House Party. I absolutely love it because I live alone by myself. So not having anyone physically here is very hard. So I need to see my friends and I need to interact with them somehow. I think we feel deprived, so it's fun to just like hang out with them through House Party. We are dancers, so we like to just fool around and like freestyle and like, you know, do dancer things. Santa Claus.
No.
Trash? Princess.
Yeah, what am I thinking?
Wait, what?
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
House Party is free to download and it's available on iOS, Android, Mac OS, and Chrome. Don't forget, you guys could use the link down in my description box to download House Party. I was gonna wait to do a rating and give you guys a verdict on all these DIYs, but this one, I can just tell you right now, it definitely feels like I have a piece of paper just taped onto my shirt. It is so crunchy. The corners are already coming off. Is it a way to print a photo onto a t-shirt? Yes. Yes, it is. Is it practical and useful? I'm not really. If you really need to print a t-shirt on, just buy transfer paper.
My days off, that's no days. No, I hustle hard, young rose.
For the third tutorial, we have the Louis Vuitton bleach jeans. Unfortunately, you know, because we're in quarantine and because Americans really want to stock up on toilet paper and disinfecting spray and everything, there was no bleach in the store, nor were there bleach pens. I am using Ajax. It says with bleach. I'm also using toilet cleaner, Clorox cleaning bleach with like the actual Louis Vuitton prints. I'm gonna fake that and I'm actually gonna paint those on with white and blue paint. Whew! Okay, so that kind of took a while, but I finally cut out my Louis Vuitton. I also added double stick tape to the back of the cutouts so that they could just like stick on and I could reuse them. Did I run out of white paint? Are you freaking kidding me? This is the most gloppiest shiz ever. I mixed some brown paint into this to make it a little bit more, I don't know, ugly looking. Gonna stick it on and then I'm gonna get my little template stuff, put those where they belong. As far as the colors go, it looks like it was a good bleach color. Are you guys enjoying this nightmare of what I call a DIY right now? This definitely took me a while to do, but I think it looks pretty good. It actually looks like I bleached them. Now that I have everything pretty much painted, I'm going to go back in from the top all the way back down to the bottom, and then I'm gonna fill in the paint and make it really saturated. So I have the jeans in a bucket right now and we're going to wait until maybe like a few hours to see what it does. I'm actually thinking it's not going to do anything because it's toilet cleaner and Ajax, not actually bleach. Alright guys, so the update on my Louis Vuitton jeans, I left it in for about 4 hours and you know what? It did absolutely nothing. I'm gonna try to order bleach on Amazon and then I'm gonna finish the other side of these jeans. But other than that, I'm not mad that it didn't bleach.
Whoa, I pressed the button and the doors go.
Okay, so the next DIY we have is this like resin glitter pour over thing. I don't know if you guys have seen these videos, but they're so satisfying to watch. I'm pretty sure my resin is old because I don't think it's supposed to be orange. But it's okay. This is just all a DIY project. Also, I don't think I need this much resin. I think I overdid it. Oops. I love glitter. So I'm assuming you just pour it. I don't know. Whoa, this is so pretty. Now the fun part. Let me zoom this so it's like super in there. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Okay. Wow. I used too much resin. Definitely. Oh my god, did I use too much glitter to where you can't even see BTS behind it? Oh, this is so cool though. This might be my new favorite thing, guys. This is so interesting. Oh, how do they make this look so nice? I'm like terrible at this. It like flows and the resin's like all like nice. I'm just making a freaking mess and like dripping it everywhere. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think I might have put a little too much glitter. Also, I'm not really sure how resin sits with like a printed picture from a computer. Wow, it actually looks pretty cool. It looks absolutely horrific in person, but through camera, it's not that bad. Resin and a printed photo on canvas does not work very well together. This was definitely a good try, but less resin and less glitter for the next time.
E be the shooter, that's cold case. Those on the deals, that's bros.
Whoa, look at me, foodie blogger. Watch out, food bloggers, because I'm coming for your brand. So the next DIY, of course, well, not of course, maybe some of you guys don't know, but there's like this new thing trending that's called whipped coffee. It's not really a new thing, but it's trending on TikTok. I don't drink coffee that often, but I do drink a lot of matcha tea. I'm going to make green matcha whipped matcha. I don't know what to call it. It's just whipped matcha, okay? My setup is definitely not made for food. My coconut milk does not look like the one on the TikTok. I thought it was supposed to be nice and hard. I feel like I'm failing already. This is why I cannot be a food person. I should stick to just arts and crafts and not food and crafts. I feel like this isn't doing anything. I like keep mixing and mixing. It's not doing anything. I'm over this already. So I tossed this in the freezer and it looks like it hardened pretty well. Would I say it's whipping? Hell no. The only thing that she used differently was agave and the spirulina. So I basically just made matcha milk. Let's try it. Still bomb though. Whatever, it just ends up melting anyways. I'm okay without ever trying this ever again. All right, so those were my 5 DIYs. Saran wrap shirt. I hope you guys had a lot of fun with me doing this video. I feel like I had a lot of fun because it's not very often that I get to try DIYs. If you guys want me to recreate or react to any other DIY TikTok videos, link them down below so I could, you know, put them all together and do a part 2 or something like that. I love you guys all so much. Please stay safe and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.